Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 15th, 2023, and we're going to get an update on the Dragonfruit cacti. Now, everything that you see here started from like stuff like this. I just leaned it up against the, what do you call this? A Pinus elioti pine tree. It's indigenous to Florida. It drops these needles and supposedly makes the soil acidic, which is good for these cacti, but as you can see, they grow roots onto the tree trunk. So I don't know, you hear a lot of things, and what you observe is going to go contrary to what you hear, and so on and so forth. So you can take all that hearsay as grains of salt and just kind of run your own experiments and see what happens. But the cacti are doing good. They're over here at this particular spot. They're exposed to a lot of sunshine, but they seem to be multiplying at a very steady pace. Let's go look over here, see what's going on. I know on a few of these trees they kind of just get a little big and fall away from the tree. So like here, this one, I'm just going to set it right back up in there and hopefully get it to where it'll stay and it'll reattach to that tree. But it's growing out here. Look at that. It's trying to throw out what looks like a new root to grab onto the branch. Either that or that's a flower and I'm not aware of it. But this tree is getting quite tall. This tree represents our 5-year-old. This tree represents our 12-year-old. This tree represents me. And this tree represents Mommy. Let's go look at Mommy's base. She's got just a little bit of torn up stuff going on. That one's not doing so well. Let's look over here. Now, these locations that have somewhat of an understory, oh man, look at that. This is really doing good over here. Look how many running cacti there are now. And look at that. They're absolutely crawling up the tree. Wow, that's incredible. So they got those are roots that grab onto the tree, and it just grows and crawls. Look at this. It's just crawling all the way up the tree. Incredible. That one's climbing. I wonder what I'm gonna do when these things start producing fruit, because look at that one. My lord. That one started from down here. And it is definitely crawled all the way up to there. Now, if that thing crawls all the way to the canopy, I'm going to have to use a very tall ladder to get at these fruit. See that? He's crawling. So anyhow, that's what they do. They just kind of crawl up the tree trunks, and you'll get some fruit eventually. People have all kinds of methodologies and ways and tricks to, I don't see anything here, tricks to get these dragon fruit to start producing. But when I learn a little more about that, I'll go ahead and cover that here. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these dragon fruit. Have a great day.